Hello everyone, welcome to Data and Beyond. Today we are going to learn about if function. So what is if function? We all had heard about the if function in our Excel class or colleges or whenever we are working in Excel or in our corporate industry. So if is one of the most used. When I say most, I mean most used Excel function in everyday means uh, everyone I believe who has worked in Excel have used if function once in their lifetime or once in a day. Okay, so if is a logical function. We use if to check the conditions. So what is the definition? Let us go. If the if function is a logical function used to test a condition and return one value if the condition is true and another value if the condition is false. So what does this if function do? If function is a logical function that tests a conditions. It This function tries to test a condition, and if the conditions get satisfied, it returns a value. And even if the condition does not get satisfied, it returns us another value. So it is like that key. If it is raining outside, if this condition is meeting, give me umbrella, and if my condition is not meeting, give me sunglasses. So, so this was a simple example that I gave you to make you understand what this if condition is all about. Let us see the syntax of this one. So, first equal to, because every formula start with equal to in itself. If then logical test. Test is means my condition that if it's raining outside, this is my condition. So this is called logical test. Value if true, if my condition get met, so what will be my value? So my value will be umbrella. Give me umbrella. Value if true, and value if false means if my condition does not meet, means if it's not raining outside, then what? Then give me sunglasses. That is value if false. Okay, it's pretty easier. So let us go to the examples and it will be more clear to you guys. Example 1. So I have these three columns: name, marks of the students, pass or fail. We have to define that whether these students are pass or fail. So how can we do that? So we know that if a student scored 33 or above 33, the student get passed in any in exams. Okay, so let us try to use if logical test my marks greater than or equal to 33, then the student passes. But if it is if my condition doesn't get met, if my criteria does not met, what then? Then fail. Okay, pass. So you can see that wherever the score is, the marks is above than 33 or equal to 33, the student get passed. But wherever the score is below below 33, fail. That this student whose name is C, he scored 30, so he is fail. And here you can also see the marks is 27, so the result is fail. And same happens here, he scored 18 and he failed. Okay, so we got an live example. Now we will go to example 2. So here here again I have three columns: account number 1, account number 2, and matching account number. So in account number, in matching account number, we have to see whether the account number 1 and account number 2 are same accounts or not. If it's same, what we want, if it's same, give me same account number, and if it is not, give me different account number. So okay, we are going to use the if function. If what will be my logical test, my condition? If my account number account number 1 equal to account number 2. If both the account number are same, give me this account number only. But if my condition does not satisfy, if my condition does not met, that means both the account number 1 and account number 2 are different accounts. It is not the same account. uh, Give me different account number. Okay, so we got the answer, different account numbers. Okay, so these all are different account number except for this one, this one, this one, this and this one. They are same account numbers, that's why we got them. And rest, every account number 1 and account number 2 are different, that why we got the output as different account number. Okay, example number 3. So in this example, what we are going to do, if if the marks of the students are less than 50, then we are going to add 5 grace marks to them. Okay, so okay, so how are we going to do that? We will take the help of if function. If logical test score my marks less than equal to 50, if my marks is less than or equal to 50, then what do I need? Then my marks plus 5 additional marks will be added. And if it is not, if the marks, if my condition does not satisfy, means my condition is marks is smaller than my marks is smaller than 50 or equal to 50. If it does not, means we will use the same marks. Okay, so the child who have scored less than 50 will get additional 5 grades marks, and the child already have scored more than 50 will have the same marks. He will not get any additional marks. So we can see, here that Chetan who previously scored 46 marks, his new marks is 51. 5 grace marks got added. Mohit, who previously scored 88, still have his new marks as 88 because he already scored more than 50. Same with Narayan. Rahul, let me highlight the change. Rahul, who previously got 13, now his new marks is 18 because 5 grace marks got added to him. Same with Wahid, who earlier got 47, now his new marks is 52. Same with Ajay, who previously scored 32, his new score is 37. So I hope you got an understanding how we use this if. Let me give you one more example. Example number 4. Okay, so this is a small database from any company, XYZ company. So this company criteria is that whoever got a rating of 5 in this year will get a hike, 20% hike, and the remaining folks will not get any hike. Okay, I know this is a bad condition, but it happens. Okay, so we will again use if. So what will be my logical condition? Rating, right? We have to check the rating. If my rating equal to 5, if my rating is equal to 5, so what if the value, what my condition is true, then my salary, current salary, plus 20 plus 20% of my current salary. Okay, and my condition does not met. If the rating of employees is not 5, it is less than 5, then no increment. Okay, so we can clearly see here Arti got no increment, Sohan got no increment because they have scored, their ratings are below 5. Bablu, who got a rating of 5 in this year, will will get a hike of 20% on his current salary. Same with Devomita. Devomita will also get a hike of 20%. Same with Sonali. Sonali will also get a hike of 20% in her current salary. So I hope you got the basic understanding of if conditions, but don't think that if is only limited to this. We can use if in various ways, and with various formulas. We can combine if with and or we look up. It depend on the cases and scenarios how we want to use it. In the next video I am going to mm, going to show you the use of nested ifs in Excel, how we use the nested if in Excel. Okay guys, if you like this video, or you learned from this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you guys.